Welcome! Watch every video and guess the verb in Spanish. Test your English skills, challenge your brain, and grow your vocabulary while having fun. At the end, tell us your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin. What is the verb in Spanish?
Correr,
Can you guess this verb?
caminar,
Let's try the next verb.
saltar,
How do you say this verb in Spanish?
sentarse,
Do you know the answer?
ponerse de pie,
Let's see if you can get this one right.
dormir,
What verb is this?
despertarse,
It's your turn.
comer, comer,
Give it a try.
beber,
Think carefully.
leer,
Do you recognize it?
escribir,
This one is easy.
hablar,
Do you know this one?
escuchar,
Which answer will you choose?
mirar,
Watch the action carefully.
abrir,
What does it mean?
cerrar,
Can you get it right?
empujar,
Let's go with this one.
jalar,
It's time to answer.
lanzar,
Which answer is correct?
atrapar,
What verb does this action represent?
dar,
Take a close look.
tomar,
This one might be a little tricky.
venir,
Are you ready?
ir, ir,
Let's try another one.
detenerse,
Stay focused.
empezar,
Which option would you choose?
Jugar.
Do you already know the answer?
Trabajar.
Guess the verb.
Estudiar.
Choose the correct answer.
Aprender.
How do you say it in Spanish?
Enseñar.
Do you remember it?
Cocinar.
Look carefully.
Lavar.
Don't answer too quickly.
Limpiar.
Which one do you think it is?
Conducir.
Let's see this one.
Nadar.
Test your memory.
Bailar.
Do you think this one is easy?
Cantar.
Here's a new action.
Sonreír.
Which option is correct?
Llorar.
This one is interesting.
Reír.
Can you solve it?
Ayudar.
It's time to choose.
Esperar.
Let's test your Spanish.
Llamar.
Which one will it be?
Comprar.
You probably know this one.
Pagar.
Ready to answer?
Usar.
Don't rush.
Encontrar.
Let's see if you get it right.
Mostrar.
Which verb is this?
Suscribirse.
Great job. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments, subscribe for more quizzes, and click the next video to keep learning. See you there!